Creating graphs from a ratio table. Well, here we have a ratio table, and this is showing the ratio of teachers to students. And in this particular table, the ratio of teachers to students is 1 to 6. For every teacher, there are 6 students. And if you were to look at all of these ratios, if you simplified all the ratios in this table, they would all simplify to a ratio of 1 to 6, 1 teacher for 6 students. Ratio tables show a pattern, and the pattern in this table is a ratio of 1 to 6. Now, function tables also show a pattern or a rule, and we can graph ratio tables just like we do function tables. We're going to use the number of teachers as our x value, and we're going to use our number of students as our y value. So this is real easy to do. Let's take a look at that same example where the ratio is 1 to 6. This is going to be like an ordered, well, it is an ordered pair. We're going to use, we're going to graph 1, 6. Remember, x is our number of teachers and y is our number of students. So we're going to graph this first set of values, 1, 6. So here we have our x-axis. I'm going to go over to 1 and I'm going to go up to 6. Our next value is 212, so we're going to graph 212. So I'm going over to 2 up to 12. I'm going to do 424, so we're graphing 424. I'm going to start here at 4, go up to 24, and then 1060. So I'm going to go over to 10, up to 60. And let's see if you really don't need to graph all the values. But what you should find, let me just put a little line here. You should find all these points should be on that line. Okay, let's do another one. So here we have a table of peanuts to cups of chocolate, and we actually have to complete the table before we begin. So I see here that they've given us the ratio of 6 to 4. 6 cups of peanuts to 4 cups of chocolate. That would actually simplify to, whoops, let me fix that here. That would actually simplify to 3 over 2. And now that I know that, I can fill in the rest real easily. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 10 is 20, so 3 times 10 is 30. 2 times what is 36? That would be 18. So I'm going to do 3 times 18, and that's 54. So we have our x and our y values. And remember, again, these are all equivalent ratios. All of these would simplify to 3 over 2. So the pattern in that table is 3 to 2. Okay. So let's graph this first value, 3, 2, 3, 2. So I'm going to go to 3 on my x, and I'm going to go to 2 on my y. And then I'm going to do 6, 4. 6, 4. 6 would be here. There's 4. 12, 8. So our ordered pair is 12, 8. And we'll do one more. We'll do 30 and 20. So our x and y are 30 and 20. I'm going to go to 30, up to 20, and let's see if I got that right. Now these should all line up when I draw my line, so you probably want to do this with a ruler. I'm just using my line tool. And there you have it. So that's how you take data from a ratio table and put it into a graph.